Alrighty, day margin. Alright, so trading live 8:27:24. Morning session, risking 20 apples to make 100. Start time is 8:14. Let us begin. Alright, let's begin. Alright, I just wanted to make sure we have this right. Alright, cool. Cool. Alright, let's begin. So let's go to the analysis tab. We can see that the monthly chart kind of doji. Weekly chart is dropping like a rock. If anything, I want to be short more. This is an excellent area for this thing to drop. This thing is gone 1.5 to 1. This thing could go lower all the way down. So let's see. Okay, it's resting at that distal line of this zone. This thing's ready to squash down, in my opinion. It's a good little area, though, if it wants to bounce. Has potential. It has potential right now. Look at that comeback. Whoa. The smaller time frames are really interesting. Because it... Because it ranged like crazy on that smaller time frame. I'm going to have to look at that right after I do this. Okay. This is clearly a lonely pivot. This is a nice spot. Nice spot to be here for demand. That's probably where I'd go long if I do go long today. Like my main long, you know, a boundary zone. All right. Delete this. You can delete that one too. It's fine. Next one. All right, let's get into the smaller time frames because I'm kind of bullish on this thing. On as far as pre-market goes. I mean, look at it. It's coming in from this area, and it's going to attack this 60-minute pivot, in my opinion. So, which is already touched. I'm ready to get in long if I can. It would just need to be breakout of some sort. That's all there would have to be, you know. So I would do anti-breakout on this. Look at that go. Look at that go. 8.5. That'd be 4 contracts at this low. 4 contracts at this low I would do. Yeah, I'm down. Oh my goodness. Never mind. It's just gone. It's just goner. Yeah, I can't do anything about it. I can't. No, I can't. But I can do 4.
Order filled.
All right, we're in long. We are in long. That was my zone, technically. What's the zone number? 4008. Oh, wait. Correct. 4008. Take a picture of the 3-minute. Oh boy, I got to get out.
Order filled.
I'm getting out. $81 risk. I thought we were in for it. I thought so, but we lost. Don't speak to me this way. Don't ever let me say. Don't leave me again. Don't leave me again. Never felt this lost before. Was frozen door. Never wanted anything more.
Order filled.
89.25. 89.25 needs to be my stop. $62 risk. Wow, what a move. Nice risk on that. Wow. I'm in long again. Wow. I mean, that was good. No doubt, that was good. That's my add-on. Oh, no. Fuck, I didn't take a good picture of it. It was a perfect pick, bro. Fuck. My bad. Whatever. I got to move stop to distal approximate line. 96.25. Repeat, 96.25. 96.25. Risking $97. It was 62. Added and trailed. Stop to proximal line. From 2.5 apples to, what is it? $97 risk now. 3.9 apples from 2.5 to 3.9 apples risk. Therefore, 3.9 apples risk is my max risk. Now we wait. Yeah, I'm disappointed. I took a perfect picture and I deleted it. Because this doesn't look like it. I mean, this was a 5-minute anti-breakout. And it was a 5-minute comeback bar. You know? Like, and this was end of trend, protecting free space of 2. Certainly end of trend. Right. This thing's gone 3R. With a 25% pivot in 0% pivot in the zone, honestly. No, I'm leaving it be. As long as I possibly can. I'm risking 4 apples right now. The next add-on will diminish it down. If I do add on, well, of course I have to add on again at some point, but we're in a good position right now. I think I'm just going to have to leave it be. The problem is 8:30 is going to open up. I know that, but at this point we're in a decent spot. And honestly, I need to add in again. I know that, but at this point I'm not sure where I'll be adding in yet. Not sure. Otherwise, it'll drop down. Sure, it stops me out. It happens. No, I wouldn't move stop. I can't move stop right now. I can't. And I'll just get out. We are risking 4 apples, yeah. But we're out. We can be up big if this goes in our direction. So, it's not the end of the world. Pokes its head right above that high, comes down. This is going to be interesting to see what happens here. We like how the pre-market happens where this last 30-minute bar has the Globex range. I love that. A lot of times this is a pivot, and then 8:30 continues it. A lot of times that happens. I've seen that. Where the last 30-minute bar closes right as the market opens. So where is that? Where's Globex range? I didn't even do that. 26. Right here. Okay. From here. Whoa there, partner. From here to here is Globex range. Let's just mark how far that is. Okay. It's rather big. That's 70% chance that only one side will be broken, the high or the low. And this is coming from honestly a decent spot down here. Is this really the time frame? Or was it at 240? No. 60-minute time frame looks great. Why does this 60-minute look so extended? Do I have like some sessions on or something? I don't know. But I can tell you that that's what it looks like on the 60-minute, which looks fantastic. Look, 8:30 is about to lift off. Do you want to add on? Is there any place to add on? We need to do level 2 at some point here. I don't think the 15 minutes going to snap this distal line yet. It can, but it might not. In this case, where's my distal line? This low is 500 flat, which is break even. I can't risk anything. I have to leave it be. No add-ons for me. My next add-on, what I'd like to do is risk everything that I have again, basically. So I need price to move upwards and then be able to do that. This will be interesting. If I get stopped out, would I be bearish? I know I'd be looking for the Globex low to pop. Let's see the day. Yeah. It would be bearish. It'd be bearish. I don't like buying or selling short on the low of day break. I don't like that. That's just not my game. I know a lot of algos or probably other people might hone in on that. It's just not where I hone in. So I like to stay away from that. But if it does want to break lower, this could break lower, dude. It could. So, I mean, I know the week just squashed. The week just broke the previous week's low, which is a big deal because that low is protecting a whole lot of free space. Generally, that would be bullish. But now, I mean, it completely toasted it. So that's just strong. That's strong. So you could see that continue. Now, but honestly, first I would assume that it would go up a little bit first. To be honest with you. Yeah, I think because the daily picture. Look at the daily. We see this rally-based rally, and the distal line of this rally protecting all this free space underneath it is that wick. And right now it is touched near that wick and bouncing upwards. Generally, I would assume some bounce here. I don't think the daily high will break, but I do think that maybe it like looks like it might turn green, you know, where it is kind of now, maybe a little bit upwards from here. That's at least some bounce coming from this area, which makes sense to me, in my opinion. So that's where it's going right now. I just don't know how long it can go upwards. I know the daily high was a big deal. Here we go, 8:30. Now let's see what happens here. My stop's down here underneath this pink box. This thing is 15-minute, just broke this holding split. This is a very bullish close here. Do you want to go long for a breakout? I could go long for a breakout. I'm not going to yet. I'm not good at 8:30 opens. So let's just leave it be. If it runs, it runs. I'm going to just trail my stop to here just cause it just saves a little bit of money. Look, I know it's not my perfect plan, but I'd like that. 500 on the dot. It just saves me a little bit of money. You know, $27 risk now. Piz. $27, so one apple. From 3.9 apples risk to 1.1 apples risk, which is a big deal. Now I'm risking one apple. I feel a lot more comfortable with that if I break and lose. And if it breaks that pink box, I think it'll lose anyways. So that's where I'm planting my stop. It is what it is. I'll tell you what, I would go in long at the low here. So this low would be 508 So 508, how much money is that? That's $138. That means I can risk $138 from here to here. 138, 22 points, 138. 138. Yeah, that's 3 contracts at the high. I'm willing to do that. Except I don't even think that that's going to work, so. I'm just going to leave it be. I don't know. I mean, it could, but I think everybody else is there too, so I have to be watching. This is about to get stopped out here if it pokes lower. If it breaks to the upside, I was going to go in long, but I'm just not certain about it, dude. I can for level 2. I just don't like the width of it. It's 22 points. I'm not a big fan of that. So, again, I think I'm going to let the trade pass on this one. If it goes lower into that box, I'm out. I'm out soon. I'm out very soon.
Order filled.
And I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. We gave it a whirl. It tried actually really well. It did really, really well. Not enough though, obviously. That went 1, 2, so 3, 4.75 R. Wow. 4.75 R. 4.75 R. Wow. And that is, oh my goodness, and now it's breaking upwards. I can't, oh my gosh, it does that. It does that. I can't do anything about it. I lost one apple on that. 1.1 apples. We're down 4.8 apples on the session. This thing is ripping to the upside without me. Fuck. Wow. It happens. Fucking A, man. How many times does it happen is the question. It happens a lot where I get stopped out and then moves. This thing has not broken my zone yet. Unfortunately, I did trail my stop. I have to. It's something I have to do. So let's see where this thing's going. I mean, this is bullish. It's just bullish. That's what it looks like to me. So this thing is bullish. It's a bullish open. There's a way to get in. Yeah, there's a way to get in again. Oh yeah, it's always a lot easier to just, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. So let's see where this goes. Does it want to break this low is the question. Been around before.
Order filled.
On a nose and door. Morning everything. This is my long. I need to move my. I need to place my stop at this low. This is a breakout bar prevention. 93 flat. 93 flat. 177 risk. 177. 177. 177. Has this gone 1R? It has gone 1R. Trail your stop to 505. I repeat, 505. 505. Trailed stop to 505, risking $57 now. Seven apples risk. This is a double trade. From 7.1 apples risk to 57. So let's call it $58. 2.3 apples risk. This is MNQ long current. I'm about to get stopped here in a moment. 13.5. 4010. We have plotted it. It's gone 1R with a 50% pivot in the zone. This is a 5-minute breakout bar prevention. End of trend.
Order filled.
Free space of 1. And I'm out. Negative 2.3. Man, oh man. That sucks. Well, that's a good stop loss. This thing's breaking out lower. Oops. All right. This thing's just broken. Yeah. Well, I couldn't handle it. I'm glad it went 1R. Gave me a chance to move my stop. This one's done too. This was a 5-minute anti-breakout. This was an excellent trade going long. And that one's failed too. The Globex low has just snapped. Everything's just snapped now. This is bearish. Clearly. $4,009. These were two good trades. They're fine. I'm not unhappy. Globex low is broken. There's a 70% chance that the Globex high will not break. So let's see. I don't know if it's going to be a fake out. I don't know if it's going to continue. It looks pretty damn bearish. That's all I can say. It looks bearish. I mean, it makes sense to just get in short with everybody. I don't know. I think if it's going to fake, it's going to fake right away. But the fake is how they fuel their party to the downside, so I can understand that. We're down 7.4 apples. Yeah. It sucks. This is just really bearish. I actually like this holding split above here. I'll take this holding split above here. I would take that. Oh my gosh. See you later, dude. Wow. Wow. Okay, then. That'd be 3 contracts at that one. It's only 11 points wide. It's just so... I mean, there's not much I can do about that. It's a lot. That's a lot of points. 12 points wide. 3 contracts. This thing's gone without me. There's a chance that it might pop up, though. We'll see. Oh, this thing's running. Running, dude. Wow. Wow, man. Oh, bro, I don't even know. If it pops up, I'm not even sure about it anymore. I don't know. I like the holding split down here, but whatever. That'd be 3. That'd be 6 contracts at 88. 6 contracts at 88. And then my stop loss would be at this high, which would be 99.75. 99.75. We're going to try to get in short for the long haul here. We're going to try to get in short here. That's what I'm asking for. I'm hoping for, obviously for a big move down. But we'll see. I mean, this is the time for the anti-breakouts. This is the time. It's poked its head out of the daily low. It makes sense for it to come up a little bit if it wants to. But then again, if this thing wants to just crush downwards, I can totally see that happening. I can totally see it. In that case, I'd like to get in short with them. I'd like to be there. And this is my spot for it. Just this holding split above here. As it's running away from me. Look at that go. No, I'm not bullish on it. Although it can work for a little bit. I don't know. I'm going to have to go with slightly less contracts here because, you know, I need single risk so I don't lose so quickly. Unfortunately. Trust me, I would like to go as big size as possible on every trade. But that's just, unfortunately, not how it works. Not how it should work. Because if I lose that, I'm down, man. You know? That's not good. So, I don't know why. I kind of want to go bullish long on it, but right now I'm not sure. I don't know. I'm going to stick to my short. Right here. This holding split. About to make entry here. It's only 3 contracts. Yeah. I mean, it could be more, but I'd just rather not lose a shit ton of money. That's it, you know? This is turn before entry again. I might cancel my order. It doesn't even look that good anyways. I'm going to cancel it. I consent to it working without me. I gave it my consent. Therefore, there is no complaints. There is this big holding split on top. This is the main attraction. Certainly that 60-minute holding split. As this thing just, all right, wants to just freaking rip. Breaks the low. This thing has just broken that 60-minute low. This thing has just broken that major low, the daily low from a while ago, protecting a whole lot of free space. This is bearish. This is really bearish. This is really, really, really bearish. That has broken. Globex low has broken. Globex low has created a supply from the Globex low, which is right here. There's possibilities to go short on that. If we want to see that break, then what? I mean, the next spot is this area. That's what I would assume. Look at it come up. Wow. I really don't know. I don't like getting in short, like right as it's moving short. I just don't like it. I can. I can. There's no doubt. It's possible. Certainly is possible. Look at that want to rip upwards. There is that split ahead of it, bro. I'm telling you, above it, there is that split. I'm gonna get back into that. It looks good outside a regional distal line. I like it. I do. It's risky, but I like it. 11 points. I would go double on that. Okay, then 6 contracts. I'd be down 13. That's fine. 7 contracts at 88.5. 88.5. 7 contracts at 88.5. My stop loss would be at this high, which would be 99.75. 99.75. And then if it rips downwards at all, that would be a good thing, man. That's all I can say. It is trying. It's trying. I want to see where it went. Went to that 1R spot. Okay. Wow. It came all the way up and then just got rejected. That's a comeback bar prevention from this zone. That looks good. That can continue. We'll see. I want it to snap, get people out, and then head downwards, obviously. I just want me to go short and then it to go down, dude. Yep, that's what I want. All right, 15 minutes, probably a good picture to look at. Let's see it. We're about to hit entry here, very near. This is zone number 4011. 5 minute. Oh my gosh. It has barely touched entry. It has not got me in yet. It has not. I'm still going to leave it there. The 3 minute.
Order filled.
We are in. 189.
Order filled.
I'm out. Just like that. Well, we took our risk. We took our freaking risk. We did. 164 risk on that. 6.6 apples. Negative 6.6 apples. Dude, we tried. We did try. 849. This was a 1 minute holding split, protecting free space of 1. Outside local distal line, outside regional distal line, recency is 2.3, magnitude is 3.2, X scores 4.25. 0 NA on that. Just absolutely roasted. It is what it is, man. That sucks. Now I got basically 1 or 2 trades left. Gosh, bro, this is brutal. Brutal stuff, man. I'm trying not to waste it. I don't want to waste shit. I don't want to waste shit.
Order
I'm
filled.
getting in short. For 1-to-1. 40-12. My stop loss needs to be this high, which is 39.5. 39.5. 362 risk. That's too much risk.
Order filled.
That's fine. 258 risk. That's okay. 10.3 apples. 40-12. $24.5. Yeah. This is a 5-minute protecting extreme. And also a 5-minute anti-breakout. Relatively wide, but it's all right. Our stop's in place. Yeah. Our stop is in place. It's all that I know. I'm going to take a picture of the 30-minute. Look at that. About to get roasted here. About to get roasted. And it sucks. It fucking sucks.
Order filled.
And I'm out. All right. Trading is just getting shorter and shorter. Quicker and quicker. This is ridiculous. That one's lost. Negative 10.3 apples. And that's it. That's it. That's it on the session. That's it on the day. Down 24.8 apples. I over risked. That was really bad risk. Done. Gosh darn it, bro. This is so fucking gay. Five trades. Max loss. $23.5. High is what? Nothing. This is just bogus. Closing apples is what? Negative 23.5. Commission apples, negative 24.8. Negative $625. And that's it. I am just losing so fucking quickly. It's insane.